Welcome back to Motor Vision, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special, an icon reborn. The legendary Citroën 2CV is making a comeback in 2025, blending retro charm with modern innovation. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this reimagined classic. The original Citroën 2CV was designed as an affordable, practical car for post-war France. Launched in 1948, it quickly became a cultural icon thanks to its simplistic yet ingenious design. With its lightweight body, minimalistic interior, and unique suspension system, it was built to handle rough rural roads while keeping running costs low. Fast forward to 2025, and Citroën has revived this legendary nameplate, but with a fresh twist. The all-new 2CV retains the essence of its predecessor while embracing modern technology. The design is unmistakably retro, featuring rounded headlights, a curved roofline, and simple yet elegant bodywork. However, it's not just about nostalgia. Citroën has integrated advanced aerodynamics, LED lighting, and a futuristic yet functional cabin. The new 2CV is built on a lightweight platform, ensuring it stays true to its roots as a nimble and efficient city car. Step inside, and you'll find a minimalist yet stylish interior. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with a digital display providing essential information. Citroën has opted for a simple, user-friendly infotainment system, ensuring that the driving experience remains engaging without unnecessary distractions. The seats are designed for comfort, featuring sustainable materials that reflect the brand's commitment to eco-friendly mobility. Despite its compact size, the new 2CV offers surprising interior space, making it practical for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, sits a fully electric powertrain. That's right, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is an EV, designed to cater to modern urban mobility. It comes with a small but efficient battery pack, offering a range of around 200 miles on a single charge. While it's not built for high-speed performance, the electric motor delivers instant torque, making city driving smooth and effortless. Citroën has also focused on affordability, ensuring that the new 2CV remains accessible to a wide range of buyers. Charging is quick and convenient, with support for fast charging stations that can replenish the battery to 80% in under 30 minutes. One of the standout features of the original 2CV was its incredibly soft suspension, which allowed it to glide over uneven surfaces effortlessly. The 2025 model continues this tradition with Citroën's advanced suspension system, ensuring a comfortable and smooth ride. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on country roads, the new 2CV delivers a relaxed and enjoyable driving experience. The compact dimensions and light steering make parking a breeze, while regenerative braking helps maximize efficiency. Citroën has positioned the 2025 2CV as an affordable and stylish urban EV, appealing to both nostalgic enthusiasts and younger drivers looking for a unique alternative to conventional city cars. Pricing is expected to be competitive, making it one of the most accessible electric vehicles on the market. With various trim levels and customization options, buyers can tailor their 2CV to suit their personality. Whether you're after a classic monochrome look or something more vibrant, Citroën offers plenty of choices. The return of the Citroën 2CV is more than just a revival, it's a statement. At a time when automakers are pushing for electrification, Citroën has found a way to blend heritage with modern technology in an affordable, fun, and practical package. It stays true to its roots, while embracing the future, proving that electric cars don't have to be boring or expensive. What do you think about the new 2CV? Would you consider it as your next city car? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vision for more automotive updates. See you in the next one.